Okay, folks, here we go. We had a little bit of a meet up here. We've got Brett and Victorian Ariel. How are you there, buddy?
Doing well, mate, sir.
And Mars. How are you, mate? On his little... It's missing a wheel. But how you going? You doing all right?
Yeah, doing good.
No worries, mate, no worries. Now, we got Gizmo coming too, and Dominic said he was coming too, but I haven't seen him yet. He said he lived real close to here. I don't know if there are apartments here, I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
I'll have a look, hang on. What the hell have we got here? What's going on here? Is that Dominic? Holy shit, it is him. Dominic!
Hey, what? Yeah. Okay, man, I've cleaned my room.
No, you you're having a bit of a bad dream there, mate.
Yeah, I must be. What's going on here?
Hang on a minute. Is this where you live?
Yeah.
You got your green screen up. Is this where you do your live show?
Yeah. So that's nice. Yeah, see? Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah, there's my laptop. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I guess you said you live close to the park.
Yeah.
You didn't say on the park.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Well, we're over here, mate, so we'll meet you in a sec, eh?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll just pack up.
Yep, no worries. Thanks, mate. And here we go now, folks. The armada of aircraft ready to head out to take the beautiful sights of Melbourne. Mars is leaving. He doesn't like us. He's had a gutful. Dominic!
Yeah,
Toilets are over there, mate.
Oh, yeah. I've just noticed it. Yeah.
Jeez, man. What are you doing? Come on. Righto, Bretsky. What do you got going on here, mate?
Well, we're going to try a star filter and see how we go with the night lights.
Star filter?
Yeah.
That'll be interesting. I noticed most of your footage is starry anyway because it's not in focus.
Ah, fuck off.
So, so it won't look any different, mate.
Arsehole.
Dominic, what are you doing?
Ah, dude just put a hot dog in there.
What?
Yeah. Only had one bite on it.
Mate, don't, what are you doing? Don't eat that.
But it's got tomato sauce on it.
My God, Dominic, I'll buy you dinner tonight, all right?
But will it be as good as the hot dog, though?
Well, look at this knucklehead. We've been here for 2 hours. How are you, Brett?
Good to see you.
Good to see you again, mate.
All this road works. It took me like 40 minutes to go from about 2 kilometres away.
Excuses.
That's where I am.
Oh, right. Oh,
I'm a long way out.
that's a good zoom, isn't it? Here comes Mars, he's going to fucking kill himself. Oh, look at this idiot. Look, he can't keep it straight. If he was on a scooter, it'd be a lot better. For those of you who are wondering, Dominic actually flies a drone. Well, there we go. This is at the end of it. We're going to nick off in a sec. And Dominic, how'd you go, mate?
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah.
You did? Yeah, no worries. I guess you're going to find a nice spot to sleep tonight.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Mars, good to see you again, mate.
You too, mate.
Fantastic stuff. And of course, Giz, mate.
G'day, Matt. Great to see you. I'll give you a call later to get some advice from you.
Yeah, no worries, mate. You do that. Your brain's not big enough to take
That's
it all in.
That's right. Safe driving.
Just one sentence at a time for Brett.
Yeah, I won't be calling you.
It's way over your head, I know that.
Yeah, good on you.
But what a spot.
Great to see you, buddy.
Absolutely, mate. And we got a really nice spot here to do this little catch up with today. I'll get some more footage of that out there, but lovely stuff. So awesome, guys. We'll see you again next time.
And let's not make it another 3 or 4 years time. Make it like
3.5 years. Yeah, mental, eh? It went quick, man.
Sure did.
Yeah.
Isn't that right, Dominic?
Yeah.
That's right. You're supposed to say exactly.
Exactly.
That's right, mate.
Exactly.
All right, see you. Take care.
See you, mate.
Bye-bye. There goes Dominic off for the sleep for the night. Trying to find the warm tree, I guess, to stay out of the wind. Sad to see, really. Look at him getting cozy there. Damn it.